My rhyme name is Wheels on the Bus. Okay. So now wheels on the bus go round, 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 round. The wheels on the bus goes round, 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 all through the town. The wiper of the bus goes swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 the wiper of the bus goes swish, 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 all through the town. The doors of the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors of the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The signals of the bus go blink, 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 blink. Blink, blink, blink. The signals of the bus goes blink, 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 all through the town. The horns of the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horns of the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The motor of the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The motor of the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The peoples of the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The people of the bus goes up and down, all through the town. The babies in the bus goes wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. The babies in the bus goes wow, wow, wow. All through the town. The mommies in the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus goes shh, shh, shh. All through the town. The daddies in the bus goes, I love you. I love you. I love you. The daddies in the bus goes, I love you, all through the town. Yes, done. It was lengthy, I guess.
लेंदी था, अच्छा किया.
Thank you, ma'am.
वो राउंड एंड राउंड है. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round. आप सिर्फ राउंड राउंड बोल रहे थे, तो उसमें एंड
Yes.
आपने मिस कर दिया. ठीक है.
Hmm.
पोएम अच्छा था. और कोई करना है आपको?
एक ओल्ड
हाँ.
मैकडॉनल्ड्स का. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, and oink oink here and oink oink there, oink everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, and a ba here and a ba there. Here, ba, there, ba, everywhere, ba, ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here, moo there, moo everywhere, moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, and a knee knee here and a knee knee there. Here knee there knee everywhere knee knee. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack there quack everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, and a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yes, ma'am, done. Thank you.
Very nice. Everyone, please clap for Shweta.
Very nice, very nice.
Good choice of all the rhymes, Shweta. Well done.
Ma'am, from next week I should start my stories.
No, now you have to concentrate on theory part because we have already done with stories and rhyme presentation. No, So let's see later on whenever we'll have, like we already started, no? So whenever we will have some kind of gap, no, in between, we are starting from moving from first phase to another or another subject. At that moment of time, we will have it. But you prepare yourself for doing the presentations. Okay. Anyone else want to do any kind of presentations today?
Ma'am, everyone over here has done with this first semester in this group.
No, only few people have done with first semester. Rest all are new. Those who are starting directly with the second semester.
So even I am starting with the second semester.
Yes, yes. Okay. Anyone else want to do any kind of presentation? So should we start with the pedagogies, our regular subject now? Just a minute. Please confirm if you can see my screen. दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone who would like to just revise whatever we have seen yesterday? क्या क्या देखा हमने कल? कोई भी बता सकता है? थोड़ा बहुत?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
May I?
हाँ.
Ma'am, yesterday we have learned about the two things. One was Mr. Raman, who has drawn the pictures and made the children understand. And second was Miss Seema. She had shared some of the practical views which children can do and learn something.
Okay. Two situations whichever we were started with. Okay. Anything else?
Today we were supposed to see the characteristics, ma'am. I have just written down few points.
Okay. So you would like to share with us?
Yes, ma'am. From that, I have just recognized some things. From childhood, each and every individual is learning something. From learning, we can develop our behavior, our other activities, our knowledge, and we can get some goals. What we actually want to be. We have seen some of the goals which gives us continuous changes in our life. Learning inspires us to achieve some goals, and learning help us to be mentally and physically strong. It differs from person to person. As a teacher should always motivate children with interacting and with learning methods.
Very nice. So this you have done by yourself, means just a kind of summary or conclusion, whatever you think.
No,
These are
ma'am.
your notes.
No, ma'am. Yesterday, which PDF you have sent, I've just read it once and I've written some points.
Okay, good. Anyone else want to share anything or just revise conclusion, anything from yesterday's session? किसी को कुछ add करना है?
Yesterday, we had learned about the Indian teaching learning structure. As in over here, we learn something and we work in our different field. Like most of the time it happens that we are doing an MBA, but then we are doing engineering, and then after engineering, we do MBA also. Most of the people nowadays are doing that. If we have done chemical engineering, people are doing some courses in computers and then going working in IT field and all such things. Whereas we had discussed that this is not the same thing overseas. Overseas people take a break, They decide where they have to work, and then they study according to what field they have to choose. This is this we had discussed. Then you had discussed about earlier in India, before the British Raj, people were self-dependent, like they were working for their own rather than working for someone else. And that is why India had flourished. Now we are working, we prefer jobs, whereas we should go in for not doing a job, but doing work for our own self, like some business, some startup or whatever.
So very good inputs, Aarti. Anyone else who want to contribute?
I would like to just add one more point to what she said just now. That's why India is still developing, not yet a developed country.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to add this to this. Yeah.
Yes, Neha, you were saying something?
Ma'am, actually, I was also going to give the summary, whatever we saw yesterday, that we saw that what are pedagogic processes and what kind of learning, two types of learning we saw, how we can make children attractive and interested towards whatever we are going to teach them. So there were two processes, and then we saw what are the effects of learning, and what learning gives us. These things we saw yesterday. There are lots of things we saw, but learning objectives हमारे जो क्या है कि what should be education हमें क्या देता है, education हमें अपनी capabilities जानने के लिए, ये सारी चीजें हम लोग ने कल देखी थी. ये सब एक as a summary बस.
ठीक है, बहुत ही अच्छे इनपुट सबने दिए, यानी कि सबका ध्यान था क्लास में. कोई और बात करना चाहता है जिनका ध्यान था क्लास में? कल हमने क्या क्या देखा, क्या क्या सीखा? स्मिता, मुस्कान, कनन, श्वेता, सुषमा तो कल नहीं थी. Okay, anyways, we will begin with today's session. So yesterday we were just started with the introduction. At the start we were discussed two different situations, wherein one a theoretical concept was there. One teacher was teaching the different parts of tree, and he was using the method wherein he was using the regular teaching learning aid, just like he has drawn some diagram on the blackboard. And he was just showing children which are the root, which is the stem, which are the branches, flowers and all. And there was another teacher who was actually taking the same topic, but her method of teaching was totally different. Within her scenario, what she has done is, rather than making it a very formal class, she has actually involved children, and she actually understand the attitude of the children, how they will actually enjoy it and how engaging she can do this particular exercise. So she has just planned the activity in such a way that one day prior she asked the children to bring some kind of five different kind of plants, and then stick them and show their different kind of parts on them. Then actually she had run a competition. Within that competition, everyone was participated enthusiastically, and they had actually decorated the classroom with their worksheets. So they were engaging at the same moment of time. They were interested in, because it was come up with like a competition, and they have to show their own work to everyone, and they were so excited to show, to share with all whatever experience they have got during that activity and all. So that's how actually children learn. But rather than learning was just a byproduct, but in this whole process they were continuously engaged, involved, interactive, and also they whole experience was a kind of experiential learning for them. So as it was a kind of experiential learning, of course they will never forget it. There is no separate need that they have to learn this particular topic separately during the examination, because now they have got it, understood it very nicely. So that two basic things were there. Now after that we have seen similarities and differences. So similarities were both were trying to take that particular topic, wherein they were teaching the similar kind of thing. They both have actually involved the children. They both have make the use of some kind of props, or you may say some kind of teaching learning aids. Those were the similarity. Major differences was in terms of attitude. Seema, actually, second Mrs. Seema, she has understand the attitude of the children, and actually she respect child as an individual, and that's how she understand that they may also have their own creativity and they may come up with their own ideas also. And in the first case, it was a teacher oriented class wherein teacher was one person who was actually commanding, or you may not say commanding, but yeah, he was controlling, trying to control the whole class, wherein whatever instruction he is giving, they need to follow, and they don't have any other kind of involvement other than listening to the teacher, whatever he is trying to tell. So that was the basic difference of attitudinal change. If we could come up with such kind of creativity wherein we give that respect to the learner, wherein learner may come up with their own concepts, and wherein they feel more kind of freedom and joy while that teaching learning process, in that process they get involved and engrossed, and because of that whatever they learn, it will be permanent. So in general, you might have listened the quote many of the time that if you will tell me, I may listen. If you'll show me, I may understand. But if you involve me, other along with telling and showing, if you involve me, I may understand and I may implement it. So this is what is one of the quote, very famous quote, wherein we understand कि okay, by telling they may just listen or may not listen also, by showing okay, अगर आप audio visual कर रहे हो तो उनको हो सकता है कि समझ में आ जाए, लेकिन अगर आप उनको इन्वॉल्व करते हो तो जो समझ में आएगा उसको वो कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है और कहाँ इम्प्लीमेंट करना है वो भी सीखेंगे. अब बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम क्या है एजुकेशन सिस्टम में, पढ़ा रहे हैं लेकिन उसे कहाँ यूज करना है, इम्प्लीमेंट कहाँ करना है और उसका यूज क्या है वो बताना भूल जाते हैं. वो ना बताने की वजह से हम उन चीजों को सीरियसली नहीं लेते. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, रादर ऑल ऑफ द टाइम, we don't find that interlink between whatever we are learning from book and whatever we are doing in our life, real life. We, if and only if we find any kind of interconnection, we will take it seriously. If we don't see any kind of interconnection in what we are learning in the book and what we have to do in our life, then what will happen? Our subconscious mind will say, oh, this is not for me. This is only for exam. And okay, at the time of exam, I will see whatever written in the book and then I will give my exam. So that is what kind of means conditional kind of attitude everyone, all the students have developed. And because of that, they don't understand why I need that. So basically, you being a teacher, whenever you are starting teaching any concept, first you need to ask that question to yourself, why I'm learning this? Okay, where I need to implement that thing in real life. Other than that, if you are not getting such kind of real life experience or any kind of example, in that case, create something wherein they could relate those things, and that's how you give them real-time example from the regular routine, whatever they have experienced, and based on that you connect whatever has given in the book. Because until and unless you'll not give that kind of reference to them, they'll not actually connect with you, and they'll not understand whether it is for me or not. Getting my point? समझ में आ रहा है कि जब तक अपने दिमाग को, why ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, क्यों, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. और इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर जब तक हमें नहीं मिलता, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है ना, हम चाहते हैं करना कि अभी हाँ मेरा न्यू ईयर है, ये मेरा रेजोल्यूशन है, ये मुझे करना है, वो मुझे करना है, फिर हम बहुत ही उम्मीद के साथ और बहुत ही जोश के साथ उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं, और कुछ दिनों के बाद फिर तो ऐसे कि मतलब उससे भी ज्यादा वर्स्ट हो जाता है वो, जिस हिसाब से हमने स्टार्ट किया था वो बहुत दिन तक नहीं चल पाता, क्योंकि हमारा वाई बहुत ज्यादा क्लियर नहीं होता है, या फिर हमें पता नहीं होता है कि ये चीज हमें क्यों करनी है, हमें उसमें से क्या चाहिए। तो जितना आपका वाई जो है वो ग्रेटर रहेगा, उतने ही रिजल्ट आपको बेटर मिलेंगे। तो ये जो है हमेशा आपको खुद को पूछना पड़ेगा कि व्हाई आई एम टीचिंग दिस, व्हाई दे आर लर्निंग इट, एंड व्हाई दे शुड लर्न इट, what how they will get benefit out of it when they learn it. So this is what you need to do whenever you are starting any kind of topic within your class. I hope this must be clear. So these are all things we were discussed. Along with that, we have seen some historical things wherein I was explaining you how Indian education started, and why this kind of stubborn education system we are following today, why it is not that much flexible. If you'll see all the IG pattern, whatever IB patterns are there, IG patterns are there. So international patterns actually within that, they don't have any kind of timetable. We have very fixed kind of timetable, wherein they are having very flexible kind of timetable. Very flexible means tomorrow what's going to happen, children don't know. Tomorrow who is going to come and teach them, they don't know. Tomorrow which subject they are going to learn, they don't know. And as they don't know anything, they come up with a very free and light minded kind of attitude, and when they go to school they have exciting activities, something new to do, someone new came and someone involved them in some kind of very adventurous things, and then they enjoy things like anything. But here what is the method is very stubborn, very stable kind of method we follow, that we have a very fixed timetable, we have very fixed teachers, we have very certain time limit, and within that time limit they have to do like that, they don't have to do like that. So many restrictions we are actually putting on them. So all these kind of things actually kill their creativity, their enthusiasm, and whatever curiosity they are having, and that's why they don't enjoy learning. And that's why we have to take a lot of effort for students to make them go to school. And once they actually पेरेंट के लिए तो एक वो बिल्कुल एक क्या बोलते हैं, पहाड़ चढ़ने जितना होता है कि छोटे बच्चों को स्कूल में पहुंचाना, और एक बार वो पहाड़ चढ़ लिया तो उनको लगता है अभी हो गया बाबा 2-3 घंटों के लिए। लेकिन फिर टीचर का पहाड़ चढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है, उनको वहां पे संभालना एंड ऑल। तो ये जो है इतनी मतलब डिफिकल्ट चीज नहीं है, लेकिन क्यों वो डिफिकल्ट जर्नी हो रही है या होती जा रही है, और भी डिफिकल्ट होती। और अभी तो स्कूल अगर रेगुलर बेसिस पे स्टार्ट हो गया तो और भी मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि अब तो वो कंफर्ट जोन में उनको क्लासेस करने की आदत पड़ गई है, बाहर जाने की भी आदत छूट गई है, then it will be very difficult. So why it happened? Because they are not interested in what we are trying to make them do. So we need to create their interest. That is what is first thing. So these are all things we have seen. वनीता क्यों बार बार जा रही है आ रही है, क्या हो रहा है वनीता के साथ? Okay, so let's move on. So whatever we have seen yesterday and whatever inputs, additional inputs I have given up till now, now let's move on. I guess this concepts and process of learning, we will discuss all these points, right? And characteristics of learning process, these also we were discussed or not?
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स
Characteristics
Yes.
का हुआ था?
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स से स्टार्ट करना है आज।
स्टार्ट करना है, यस मैम।
अच्छा, the characteristics of learning process are, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है। यहाँ तक हो गया था, learning can be considered as, right?
यस
Okay. Someone take initiative and read out these points. The characteristics of learning process are.
I'll do it, ma'am.
Yeah.
The characteristics of learning processes. Learning is a continuous process. From childhood, every human being tries to change his or her behavior, thinking, attitude, interest, etc. continuously to fit himself herself to the ever-changing condition of life. Learning is a goal directed. Every human being aspires to achieve some goal in his or her life. These goals can be achieved through learning. If there is no goal to achieve, then there would be no necessity of learning. Learning is intentional. Since an individual sets a goal to achieve, she has to deliberately do some activities to attain the goal. If she does not have any intention to reach the goal or is quite casual about it, then it is difficult to reach the goal, and in that sense, learning is weak or may not take place at all. Learning is an active process. One has to perform some activity, maybe physical or mental or both, to learn something. Mind has to remain active to acquire new physical acquire new experience. Otherwise, no learning can take place. Learning is individualistic. You might have observed that in a class there are some students who learn more quickly while others learn slowly. In fact, the pace of learning differs from person to person. Learning is the outcome of the interaction of the individual with the environment. As a teacher, you have to organize the environment carefully to motivate the students as to interact with you, peer students, and teaching learning materials. Learning is transferable. Learning in one situation can be used to solve problems in another situation. Learning of mathematics, science, social science, and language helps the child to perform different activities in their real life. फैक्टर्स और आगे भी पढ़ना है मैम?
नहीं नहीं, पहले कैरेक्टर्स फिनिश करेंगे। ओके, तो पहला कैरेक्टर है लर्निंग कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस है। ये तो हमने देखा ही है, बचपन से हम सीखते आ रहे हैं और ऑफ कोर्स बुढ़ापे तक भी हमें सीखना ही है। लाइफ के एंड तक हर कोई सीखता है, हर किसी के एटीट्यूड में चेंज आता है, उसके स्वभाव में चेंज होता है, तो हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहा है। जैसे whatever was your state prior to start today's class and whatever will be your state after finishing today's class, there will be much difference in the state, in the previous state and after 1 or 2 hour state. Why? Because now you have come up with very new insights. There may be some volume of knowledge now increased whatever was the prior. So each and every moment actually we all are learning, and every moment we are actually grasping something. That's why asking that question in the night before going to bed, what am I learned today, or what was my experience today, what goes wrong and what goes right, that kind of questions you need to always ask yourself before going to bed, so that you can analyze yourself on day-to-day basis. So that's what about learning is, that it is a continuous process. And learning is goal directed. Everyone should have specific goal in life. In the same way, you should have your learning goal. It must be fixed that in a certain amount of time how much you want to learn. Now once you have finished all your qualification, even after that also you must have your specific goals about learning. On every day, even whatever work we are actually supposed to do in the school or at home, there are many work we may start doing for the first time, then we go on repeating it, and then we get you may say not that much perfect, but yeah, we can do it without any kind of error. So every day we may learn few things which are new for us. जैसे हम किचन में नए नए डिशेस ट्राई करते हैं, जैसे हम हमारे समझो कोई प्रोफेशन है, जैसे किसी को कुछ ड्राइविंग सीखना है, किसी को स्विमिंग सीखना है, किसी को कुछ म्यूजिक सीखना है, तो यू शुड हैव योर गोल्स कि किस टाइप का आपका लर्निंग गोल होना चाहिए, एंड इट शुड बी वेरी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, एंड यू शुड डू समथिंग विद इन दैट स्टिपुलेटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. दैट इज व्हाट इज गोल. एक होता है विश, एक होता है ड्रीम, और एक होता है गोल. विश, हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए, बट चाहिए कब चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए, पता नहीं, मतलब वो विश है. ड्रीम, मुझे ये बनना है, मेरे पास बंगला हो, गाड़ी हो, हेलीकॉप्टर हो, हाँ ये ड्रीम है, लेकिन क्या वो ड्रीम मेरे लिए पूरा हो सकता है? आपकी वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है क्या कि मुझे सचमुच मेरे टेरेस पे मेरा खुद का हेलीकॉप्टर आएगा, लैंड होगा? क्या आपको विश्वास है कि ये चीज होगी? तो नहीं, तो मतलब ड्रीम है. लेकिन गोल जो होता है वो बहुत स्पेसिफिक होता है. That is called a SMART goal. SMART means S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, then R for realistic, and T for time bound. So every goal is a SMART goal. SMART means you should have that kind of specificity that okay, within this amount of time I want to achieve this, and okay, if at all you are trying to achieve that, so every time you should know your milestone. जैसे for example from Pune I want to go to Mumbai, तो जितना भी डिस्टेंस है उसके बीच में मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके वहां पे तो नहीं पहुंच जाऊंगी ना, मुझे मेरी जर्नी प्लान करनी पड़ेगी। जर्नी प्लान करने के बाद मुझे डेट टाइम फिक्स करना पड़ेगा। होने के बाद मुझे मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट फिक्स करना पड़ेगा, मुझे ट्रेन से जाना है, मुझे ट्रैवल से जाना है, मुझे खुद की कार से जाना है, या मुझे और किसी वे से जैसे प्लेन से भी जो वाया मुंबई होते जा रहे हैं तो उससे मुझे जाना है, तो मुझे मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा। मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट डिसाइड करने के बाद मुझे डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि मैं कहाँ से कौन से स्टेशन से बैठने वाली हूँ, एंड ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग। So there are so many things, but still once I started my journey, I'll not directly reach to destination. I will get some milestone in between। दिखता है ना मुंबई इतने किलोमीटर, मुंबई इतने किलोमीटर, तो इन बिटवीन मुझे बहुत सारे माइलस्टोन दिखेंगे। इसका मतलब क्या है, अभी लास्ट का 1 मिनट बाकी है, तो ये मैं गोल वाला फिनिश कर देती हूँ। इसका मतलब क्या है कि इतना जर्नी मैंने क्रॉस कर लिया और इतना जर्नी मुझे फिर से तय करना है, मतलब मुझे पता है कि इतना जर्नी मैंने तय कर लिया है। दैट इज व्हाट इज मेजरेबल, मींस यू शुड नो कि ओके this much I have achieved, now this much again I have to achieve, and that what is point number 2, and point number 3 also involves some kind of goal related thing. That's it. So point number 1 and 2 we have seen. We will start with point number 3 in the second part. So let's stop here because once I'll start new point, then it will not be finished. So you all have to rejoin instantly. ठीक है, तो अभी हम end करते हैं इस मीटिंग को, एंड बस एंड होने के बाद तुरंत ही आप लोग ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। इफ यू लाइक टू टेक एनी ब्रेक यू मे टेक। फाइन, शुड आई एंड?